2023 may be the year that you want to jump into the world of online business. In this video, we're going to talk about several ways you can start an online business to start earning income in your spare time. Number one, start a blog or website and monetize it through affiliate marketing, advertising, selling digital products or physical products. There are many free ways to start building a website. A simple WordPress site is a great place to start. Simply buy your domain and start producing content. Once you grow a large enough following, you can then monetize it with these several suggestions. Number two, offer freelance services such as writing, editing, or graphic design on a platform like Upwork or Freelancer. These sites are commission-based based on the work that you do. If you work, you get paid. Don't work, don't get paid. You write your own hours and do the tasks that are assigned to you. Once you develop a reputation, the income streams are endless. Number three, sell products or services through an online store such as Etsy or Amazon. Amazon is one of the largest companies in the world, especially when it comes to reselling. Most of their actual business comes from private sellers, selling their own merchandise or reselling other products. If you don't like storing inventory or making things, they also offer an affiliate marketplace where you earn commissions for marketing and selling other people's products. 4. Become an affiliate marketer and earn a commission by promoting other people's products. We have mentioned Amazon, but there's also several other places. ClickBank is one of the largest platforms for selling digital products. In fact, most of the products that you know, like, and trust, if you scroll to the bottom of their page, you'll usually find an affiliate link or some sort of referral bonus where you can earn for telling people about their company and products. Number 5, offer consulting or coaching services through platforms like Zoom or Skype. If you're an accountant, a business professional, or perhaps an artist who has a skill like teaching guitar or piano, you can build a business simply using your webcam and microphone with a simple website. You can charge per session, by the hour, as well as sell your own products. Number 6, start a podcast. A podcast can start with minimal investment upfront. Using some of the prior suggestions for monetization, a podcast can use affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and advertising on a website or your own products and services. A simple way to get started for free is to use the app Anchor FM. This is absolutely free to start. You can even begin by simply using your cell phone in your car. I'll leave links to all these suggestions in the description below. But first, if you're getting value out of this content, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next video. Number 7. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is a place where you can monetize using several different strategies and advertisement. You can even start a video podcast, selling your own products, services, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and much, much more. YouTube is a great place to start, and it's absolutely free. All you need is a phone with a camera. Remember, making money online requires hard work, dedication, and persistence. It's important to find a business model that fits your skills and interests and to consistently put in effort to grow and improve. If you like today's suggestions, you're going to love this video here on the screen. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.